So it is a Tuesday. I'm at Railside. There's 2 skaters here. It's practically dead. Thought I'd get some POV footage for you, so let's get it. Be lying if I was said I wasn't terrified of that thing. That is straight down. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get this track maybe. Fucking did it. Let's go.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Ow! Oh, that hurt so much. Ow. Oh, oh my God. Fucking redeem myself. Sometimes you gotta battle those demons, bro.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
This is a problem with winter and skate parks. Everything is so rusty. I have to go like 3 times as fast just to make that into the lane. There we go. Second tee, baby.
Blue, we're going to Blue Nerds.
You know, I thought those were smoke mixes at one point in my life.
That's what people have used before. Sexy time.
Chop Stars Exotic Pop Edition.
Okay. Big 4L, the biggest 4L. Pussy, tuna.
Chop Stars OVO Gang.
Block savage with the criminal. Tuna. G niggas throwing shots, they subliminal. G20. G block savage with the criminal. Tuna. Niggas throwing shots, they subliminal. G block savage with the criminal. Tuna. Niggas throwing shots, they subliminal. Tuna. Say that it's a problem, then we spin them. Get the whole drunk, cause I'm generous. Put your name on the bullets while I'm feeling this. Y'all niggas twins, we identical.